Crypto King is not a financial advisor.
You gon' learn today, you gon' learn today, you gon' learn today. Had to get it off, why not be the boss? Started in Tampa Bay. Life in the matrix will crumble you. Poverty struggle will humble you. Florida State, relocate, pack my bags and I moved to Colombia. Hola mujeres bonitas, they say that it's cheaper to keep her. That's why I learn more than you. Crypto, I'm learning you. Learn crypto TV is turning to. Please don't waste my time. Learn, yeah. Please don't waste my time. Learn today. Crypto TV. Please don't waste my time. Learn Crypto TV. Please don't waste my time. Learn Crypto TV.
Artificial intelligence is the future of computing, and SingularityNET is the future of artificial intelligence. Remember Sophia, the humanoid robot who was granted citizenship by Saudi Arabia? From the general media hubbub to the discussion surrounding the Saudi Arabia's government treatment of women's rights, landmark events caused quite a stir across the web. But behind all this buzz, SingularityNET, whose official artificial intelligence technology powers the robot built by Hanson Robotics, has been working to completely revolutionize the web as we understand it. What is SingularityNET? In some sense, the premise behind SingularityNET is fairly simple. SingularityNET is a decentralized open market for AI. SingularityNET CEO Ben Guarzo said in an interview with the author, its product is aimed at becoming a bridge between artificial intelligence developers and business users. Think of it this way. It helps you keep your head somewhat attached to your body when you're starting to try to imagine a decentralized interconnected network of AIs that can not only be purchased and shared via blockchain technology, they can actually learn from each other. Now, artificial intelligence is an umbrella category that houses 4 broad types, encapsulating a wide field of study that includes subsets you may have heard of recently: machine learning, neural networks, natural language processing. Artificial intelligence is already a $233 billion industry, and for some estimates, it predicts that it will reach $3 trillion by 2025. We encounter artificial intelligence every day. Through much of what emerges from the field, is it immediately obvious to the user? The point is to seamlessly optimize existing systems. This is also why we're starting to see a hockey stick curve of artificial intelligence acquisitions over the past few years, congregating these systems in a handful of major corporations who then resell artificial intelligence packages. Even though artificial intelligence changes the lives by every day, it's a fragmented field. Many aren't able to see or learn from the work others are doing unless they happen to be working in a company like Google, Facebook, or Salesforce. And even then, there is no discoverability for AI inventors. Now, SingularityNET addresses this visibility issue, enabling everyday users from small business owners to brand managers and beyond to connect with the AI and the AI developers who might have already developed the perfect solution. So say someone has a computer system doing something and they would like AI to do it better. Guarzo said, unless you're a Google or Tencent, you're probably not going to build your own AI. You're going to be making your software grab AI from software package or APIs. Those are the customers. AI is already integrated into many existing industries, so the potential impact of a barrier-free global AI marketplace extends far beyond applications and tech companies. For the purposes of understanding of how it fits into the picture of SingularityNET, the most important thing you need to know is that the blockchain allows buyers and sellers to interact directly without middlemen. Now, AI is learning from other AIs. This is where SingularityNET really starts to sound like a science fiction, even though it's about to become a reality. What makes it more interesting is that AIs can also exchange data and make requests of each other. So then the AI interconnects, and the network of AIs, like an economy of minds, a big meta mind out of all of these AIs talking to each other. This is facilitated through the Ethereum blockchain on which SingularityNET is built.
With SingularityNET begins the greatest age of progress and exploration in the history of artificial intelligence. We can put together many pieces of smart AI technology into super systems, increasing complexity and stability. It provides a framework for safety and transparency in artificial intelligence while providing privacy for people's personal data.
Right now, there's no platform anywhere in the world that is specifically designed to make it easy for different AIs to communicate with each other, to share data with each other, to make requests of each other, to compensate each other for their work, to rate each other as to how well they did different things.
Sophia is a good platform for bringing together the technologies of artificial intelligence, using SingularityNET as a kind of networking protocol.
Right. You know what we could try next.
The AI code is there, free and open source on the internet right now. It's just hard to find and hard to use. So SingularityNET can complete that connection between AI developers and AI users.
If we achieve SingularityNET the way that we have portrayed it, the way that we have envisioned it, the way that we've engineered it, it will become the single most valuable technology in all of history. This is the chance for us to change the world together. We need participants. We need you, your time, your mind to make this happen. Work with us to realize the beauty and power of SingularityNET.
Okay, family, so you heard the information about SingularityNET. You can start at CoinGecko.com here in order to be able to look up this crypto to be able to find out and research more information in regards to considering adding this particular project to your portfolio. All of the little links over here on the side and the info is where you can find all of this information. So I would suggest that you start there in order to be able to do your own research. However, just for the sake of the video, to keep it moving, we want to say SingularityNET, this is the year chart. So the year chart you see, you have all-time high sitting at 95 cents. And then you have all-time low at just above a half a penny. But for the sake of today's video, we're just gonna go through a little bit of the price discovery, price action, and what you could potentially see happen if you were to invest as little as $100 on this particular project. So let's look at what it is doing today. So on Crypto Bubbles today, you see AGIX right here in the middle right here. This project is up 30% today, 30%. So we know that there was an all-time high at 95 cents that we saw on CoinGecko. Over here on the chart here in TradingView, I did a daily chart against USDT Tether, the stablecoin Tether, all right? And this chart is being read from KuCoin. So the all-time high from KuCoin, and as you can see, there's not much history here. It goes all the way to July, I believe that is July. Yeah, in 2021 is where KuCoin had it listed on their exchange, and the all-time high at that point in time was around 66 cents. So that's how I did the Fibonacci chart from the swing high all the way down to the swing low, which you can see here is 3 cents. So at the level that I'm showing you here, again, talking about the golden ratio, 618, that's where the project, you can see a lot of activity is there. There will be a great chance that if you were to invest in this project, that you can see if you were to buy today at today's price of 9 cents. All right, there's a great chance that you will see that price action move back into the 618 area, and that right now covers 42 cents. So at this point, you can see how much gains you will have on your money. That'll be something like a 3 or 4x right there on your money. So for an example, if you put $1,000 on a project and it did a 3x, then now you have $3,000, which now, you have a $2,000 profit. But anyway, you know, just to keep it moving, I've done a spreadsheet to show you these different levels, because you want to have control over your investment, and you want to know exactly what this project can do. So over here in my spreadsheet, you can see that I have done a cost analysis. The price, today's price, 9 cents. Is that true? Yes, it is. 9 cents right here. You can see it. It's up 35% according to CoinGecko, up 30% according to Crypto Bubbles. But you can see today's price, 9 cents. If you were to invest $100, that will give you an amount of 1,120 AGIX tokens, or this project SingularityNET. You can see right here the all-time high, which you saw over here at 66 cents. You can see it here, all-time high, 66 cents. And if the project, you will invest $100 into the project at today's price of 9 cents, and it goes back up to its all-time high, you can see that there's a 7x gain from there. And at the amount that you invested $100, that would be a $739.20 gain, with a net profit of $638. That would be less than $100. Now think about it from this perspective. If you were a pessimist and you don't believe SingularityNET is going to do anything in the future, then zero. And then you would just have a $100 investment that will create a negative $100 net profit for you. If you were that much of a pessimist and believe that this project is not going to do anything, well, let me show you again. It's doing this today, and I'm going to show you some of the partners here. You see in the SingularityNET.io website, you can see Cardano as one of the partners. Hanson Robotics, who you heard was the inventor or the brainchild behind that robot who got citizenship, Sophia, over in Saudi Arabia. Ocean Protocol, and this is a decentralized data exchange protocol that unlocks data for artificial intelligence. I am invested in Ocean Protocol, just so you know. And Cisco, I know you've heard of Cisco before, those of you especially in IT. And then Cody. You know, you see Cody, this is like the financial transaction system within the Cardano ecosystem. And you can see Binance Connect, TradeFlow, and a few other, all of these different partners that will be based on this AI platform, SingularityNET. So if you don't know, you see 31%. If you don't know, then now you know. Continue to do your own research. Now we're back to the Excel spreadsheet. Now, looking at the all-time highs, these 18 cents is going to be the 23.6. This is the 38.2 level. Then you have the 50%, the 618, which is the 42 cents. And then you have 786, which is 53 cents. And then you have the 100 at 66 cents, which will be back at the all-time high up here at the top. Now, if this project goes into price discovery, and we talking about in the 2025 bull run, it just starts going crazy, right? And it's going to new price discovery. Over here on the chart, you see that we have the 618 right here says that it can go to $1.06. The 2618 says that it can go to $1.69. It's going to do one of these numbers, family. And the 3618 says it could go to $2.33. And if it just goes absolutely berserk, then the 423 segment of price discovery says that it can go to $2.72. Now, you all heard what this project is. It's an AI platform. You know that in the world today, AI is taking over everything. And some of you are gonna lose your jobs behind AI, unfortunately. However, SingularityNET is one of those leading projects that you should consider adding to your portfolio. And look at the price discovery again. If it goes to past its all-time high to the $1.06, that's an 11 times 11 gain, X gain on your money. 18X for the next level, 25X for the 3618, and the 423 level is a 30X. Look at your gains. Would you be happy with taking $100 investment and turning it into almost $3,000? Do you think that AGIX an artificial intelligence platform is going to go to $2.72 in the bull run when artificial intelligence is slated to take over everything or most things starting in 2025 when the bull run happens. SingularityNET family, this is what you should consider adding to your portfolio. Leave your comments and questions down at the bottom in the comment area. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share the content on this channel. Thank you for tuning in to Learn Crypto TV. This has been your Crypto Update.